this is this particular logo with, I think, 0.75 burn value, and here it is with 1, with burn value of 1. So it is quite a lot lighter with the burn value being 1. The brighter parts are here, and they show up as brighter, whereas the burn value of 0.75, it's subdued everything. So slightly different looks on each one. The render times are slightly different. You've got 4 minutes 20 on this with the dollar one with the 0.75 burn value. It must be slightly less calculations somehow, and here with the burn value being 1, it's that little bit brighter. So and the render time was about 5 minutes. So you're not going to have about 40 seconds, which perhaps it's perhaps not that significant. You're knocking off 2 over 15, so it's not a massive difference. But yeah, that's you know, obviously I think I prefer the brighter one here. I lit it with the burn value being 1, and then when it got turned down to 0.75, didn't like it so as much, I don't think. So personal preference though.